Hello, and welcome to the eCon Planning Suite online tutorials. This is one in a series of video tutorials demonstrating the functionality and components of the eCon Planning Suite. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to use the Upload Point File widget to display your own point-based data in CPD Maps. Adding local point-based data to a map allows you to better illustrate the specific needs or conditions of a neighborhood or community. You can upload any point associated with an address. This could include schools, parks, community centers, or any other data element. The Upload Point File widget allows you to upload these data points to CPD Maps and display them on the map with other data. Before opening CPD Maps, let's first prepare the data to be uploaded in Excel. Data can either be uploaded from an Excel XLSX file or comma-separated value CSV file. Our first example will demonstrate how to upload the points of universities via addresses. After this example, we will demonstrate how to prepare a file with longitude and latitude coordinates for upload. For uploading addresses, enter the following column headers in columns A through D. A is address, B is city, C is state, and D is zip code. Additional attributes such as site name, year built, or associated community partner can be entered in subsequent columns. In this example, we will add an additional column for name. Once the column headers are set, enter the data and save the file. Each data file can include up to 3,000 points to be uploaded. The more points there are in the file, the longer it will take to upload. Now, let's open CPD Maps and select a jurisdiction. Click the Upload Point File widget at the top of the screen. The Help button at the bottom of the screen provides basic instructions on how to use the widget. Select a map point symbol that will indicate the location of the data. Enter the layer name for the data. Both of these will be displayed on the legend. Depending on the type of data you are uploading, select either addresses or lat-long and click Choose File. In this example, select addresses. Locate the appropriate file on your computer and select Open. CPD Maps will automatically begin to geocode the file. Geocoding is a process through which a computer program translates an address into a latitude and longitude that the program then uses to locate the address on a map. Depending on the file size and internet speed, this geocoding process can take a few minutes. A status bar indicates progress towards completion. Once the file is geocoded, a pop-up box will appear allowing you to download the geocoded Excel file to your computer. Note that the geocoded Excel file includes the latitude and longitude for each address as well as a report of which entries could and could not be geocoded. Check the report since sometimes a location can't be geocoded for a reason as simple as a typographical error. The points automatically display on the map. To view the additional attributes for each entry, such as name, click the point to display the associated information. You can repeat this process as often as you need to in order to create additional layers. For example, you can use a layer for down payment assistance projects and another for homeowner rehabilitation projects with a different style of pin for each. Or you could show projects in different program years or through different partners. There are a lot of options for how you use these uploaded point layers. You can select and unselect the data for display from the Layers widget. Note that these uploaded points remain visible no matter how far out you zoom. This can make uploaded point layers especially useful for states and other large geographies. You cannot save these layers to CPD Maps, so once you close CPD Maps, you will need to re-upload the file for the layer or layers that you want to use again. So remember, save these Excel files where you can readily access them again. Now, we will demonstrate how to prepare an Excel file with latitude and longitude coordinates to be uploaded. Column A is for latitude. The header in A1 must either be latitude, lat, y, or y center. Column B is for longitude. The header in B1 must either be longitude, long, x, or x center. Using latitude and longitude coordinates can be helpful for using previously geocoded files, as the system will load them more quickly. If you have previously uploaded a set of addresses to CPD Maps, you can use the latitude and longitude coordinates from the geocoded Excel file to reload the data into CPD Maps during later mapping sessions. If you do this, make sure that you reorganize the spreadsheet so latitude and longitude are in the first two columns. Once the coordinates are entered and saved as a comma-separated value file, it is uploaded by browsing for a lat-long file. Thank you for participating in the online tutorial on using the Upload Point File widget. For additional tutorials and resources, please go to the OneCPD resource library.